Hi there, in this video we're going to take a look at the word gewoon. You probably have seen it somewhere and you're like, gewoon, but sometimes why do we write gewoon in this sentence? Well, we're going to solve that mystery in this video. The most simple translation of gewoon is normal, not abnormal. For example, ik ben een gewone burger. I am a normal burger? No, I am a normal citizen. Burger, that means citizen. You know, you're not a criminal or you don't do complicated things. So, ik ben een gewone burger. That's when it's used as an adjective with a noun, or you can also say, ik ben gewoon. I am normal, I'm not abnormal. And the antonym, the opposite of gewoon, is ongewoon or buitengewoon, like abnormal, falling out of the norm. Alright, good. Other translations here. Ze blijven gewoon thuis. They simply stay at home. And the gewoon there is simple or simply. Right? So there's normal, there's simple or simply. And the third one is, het is gewoon een andere straat. It's just another street. So here, gewoon means just. About just, there's another video. There are tons of ways to translate just into Dutch. So gewoon is one of these ways to translate just. However, an important side note here. With the two last ones, ze blijven gewoon thuis and het is gewoon een andere straat, gewoon can also be used for decoration. It doesn't really need to be there. It's just to give a little connotation of being normal or usual. And that is called in grammar terms a modal particle. And if you want to know about modal particles, you can click on the next video for knowing more about modal particles. Wel, eens, and so on. These are also called modal particles. A last use of, one of the main uses of gewoon is, ik ben het gewoon. I am used to it. So iets gewoon zijn, so something normal, be, literally, that means to be used to something. So if you see gewoon zijn with an object, die hut or something else, ik ben die auto gewoon, I am used to that car, then it will be to be used to something. I invite you to know more about this used in the next video that you see appearing up there. Have fun watching that video, and tot ziens!